In this episode, we head back over to Dodge Country to work on the race truck project. And Trey come by to do some welding. So we got all day of welding in 5 minutes. So welcome to Bad Habit Garage. We got the young flexible guy doing the welding today. He got more flexibility than we got. All right, let's see.
Ain't hurting a bit, I swear to you.
Let's see what he got. Hey, look at there. Man, he's got probably 50 more to go.
Something can't be right. Let's move on.
To do some stick welding action.
That's a pretty good one. I don't know that
He jumping all around today welding, trying to get everything done. Yeah, got some of that welded a while ago. Now he's over there welding. He'll be jumping somewhere else in a minute. Wouldn't it be nice to have all that energy? See, now he done jumped over here. Went from wire welding over there to back to stick welding over there. We're trying to stay ahead of the welding guy. Now he's back here.
Yeah, sounds good. Sounds solid. Could be a little gap in the field. Strand. I don't think that shot went for anyway.
Well, we got a mess today.
You got a disaster today.
Look like the truck exploded. But there's a lot of stuff done today. Frame is welded. All our extra pieces are welded. So, yeah. That's going to do it for this episode. It was good to see the younger generations are still interested in welding, and it was fun watching him bounce around from one corner of the truck to the other corner of the truck and weld it all day long. But yeah, that was interesting. But thank you for watching. Please click the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. See ya.